Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Victrix Pro BFG controller that's not connecting to the Control Hub software. Now, the first thing you want to make sure is you currently have your controller connected to the PC. So on the top here, switch it over to the PC connection. And then on the bottom here, you're probably going to want to connect it with the USB cable first and then your dongle and update both of those. So switch it on over to the correct position here, whether it's USB. So you can see there is a switch on the back here, USB, and then you switch it to the other side, that is going to be wireless. So once you have it connected to your PC, we can go on over to my computer here. And here's the software. You can see it's all connected. But when it says it cannot connect, it's going to open up this support page right here. It says Victrix Pro BFG Wireless Controller for PC, blah, blah, blah. We want to scroll all the way down to the bottom here. And it's going to say, could not connect Victrix Control Hub app driver conflict. What you want to do is go on down to here and download the Victrix compatibility reg, and then run this little thing that downloads right here. And that's going to add a file to your registry, and that is what's going to go ahead and make this work. So that's what worked for me. Another thing you can go to is Task Manager. And then you probably have a conflicting software that's on your PC. So we can go to Startup. So it's trying to use your controller in maybe like Steam. So go ahead and disable Steam. So actually, I'm going to enable this now that I have everything set up. So disable everything that could be possibly using your controller. Origin, Steam, I don't know, Xbox services, whatever. Try that and restart your computer. Another thing is, go to pdp.com. You might have downloaded the wrong app. So you can go to app right here. If you downloaded the PDP Control Hub, well, this is why it's not working. This is like green. If you download the Victrix Control Hub, this is like blue or purple. So make sure you have the right app. And this is what it should look like. Once you have it connected, you can go through here and configure your controller now. Remap your back pedals, analog stick, triggers, etc. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.